our LiveLean Abs 2.0 workouts with me. So stick around if you want to see this workout. Hey, welcome back to LiveLeanTV. I'm Jessica Guthrow. I have a special guest with me today, Tori. So she's gonna do one of our LiveLean Abs 2.0 workouts with me. This is gonna be Tori's first time doing the gym ab workout. So she's gonna show you the beginner mods or just easier versions of exercises that are really challenging. So that'll be helpful if it's your first time doing an abs workout too. So opening up the LiveLean Abs 2.0, scroll down, find the page that says 36-second ab activator. You can click there to go to a video that actually shows you and tells you how to do it. Let's get started with that first. One more. Okay, so that was the quick warm-up. That's all it takes just to get your abs activated and fired up and ready for actual contractions. A lot of people don't take the time to do a proper warm-up or activation, and then what ends up is you start using your hip flexors and all of your other muscle groups to do the exercise because your abs aren't woken up yet. So you gotta wake them up. Do they feel awake? They feel awake. Ready. Okay. You can open it right up and then see exactly which exercises to do and how much, how many reps. And if you don't know how to do these, go ahead and click on one of these exercise photos and then it takes you to the video with the step-by-step demo and instructions. First up, kneeling cable crunch. You can substitute resistance bands for cables. If you're doing this outdoor, somewhere where you don't have a cable machine, a resistance band works just as well. And for a beginner, simply using a lighter band or a lighter amount of resistance is the way to go if it's your first time doing this. If you're more advanced, just increase the resistance. Next, hanging knee raise. Try it, let's see what happens. Very good. Try for a 2-second contraction at the top. So 1, 2, and then down. Yeah. Good. Is that 4? Keep going. 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Come on down.
I would rather you know that, stop at 7, have 7 good contractions, than do sloppy reps and get more.
And we'll show the other version.
A little bit more in my
Yeah. This is a really good teaching point right here. I want to keep this in the video because if you are doing that and you're feeling it more in your shoulders, more in your hands, more in your legs, everywhere else except for your abs, this is your time to modify to know, okay, I'm not actually getting abs out of this abs exercise. Instead of hanging knee raises, do lying knee raises. And that will take all the pressure off of your arms and shoulders and you can just focus on your abs instead. Okay, so let's try that. Yeah, good. And just hold that contraction at the top for 1, 2, and then roll it down. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is to follow advanced versions of exercises that they're not ready for yet or don't yet have the strength for, and then they overcompensate with other muscle groups. So instead of struggling through an advanced version, just regress it a little bit. I do encourage you to start your set with the advanced version. Just see what you're capable of, because if you never try, you'll never know. But once you feel that you've lost the contraction in your abs and you're just feeling it everywhere else, then it's time to modify. Just don't start with the modified version first before you've even seen how strong you are yet. So you just kind of do a drop set. Cool? Next up is the double crunch. This exercise is awesome for targeting both the lower and upper abs at the same time. It's really important that you don't pull on your neck here and you initiate the movement from your core, not from your legs and arms. So just follow through with your lower and upper extremities, but initiate with your core. I was explaining that if that version is too challenging or you're feeling any back pain, you want to just regress it further by using one leg at a time while keeping the other leg on the floor. Make sure to keep your elbows wide so there's no pulling on the neck. Just lift from your shoulders. Yeah. Good. Exhale at the top of each rep. The deep breathing is so important. Notice how I'm really forcing the air out with every contraction. I'm exhaling as hard as possible to make my abs small, tight, and compact. Even if you feel silly, you have to start practicing this.
Little slap in the booty.
Our fourth exercise of the circuit is the side plank rotations.
I don't know if the sound is gonna come out in this video or not, but if you're hearing voiceovers or if you're watching me right now, hopefully it turned out. Ladies back here, cutting it up, getting the cuts.
Yes! Good work.
Nailed it.
Gotta do the cool down now. Open that up. Okay, so we have 3 stretches to do. Let's get to it.
Open up those hip flexors, so that's the muscle in the front of the hip. A lot of times when you're training abs, those can get really tight. So this one's gonna help loosen up the lower back. Rock the baby.
So we just finished the workout. That took us about 15 or maybe 17 minutes total, including the warm up and cool down. So it's quick and it could easily be added at the end of a full body workout, or you can do it on your rest day. And so that's what these ab workouts are intended for. They're intended to supplement your other workouts and not just be a standalone. So what do you think of the workout?
I loved it. I think it was easy to follow, but still challenging, and I'm excited to try more.
Feel it in the right muscles?
Yes.
Like the breathing cues and also the activation cues.
Yes,
They make
the
a big
activation really made a difference.
And so for being your first ab workout, like this is great. When you're first starting out training abs, you haven't trained abs before, you don't come in with any of the bad habits. You get to learn the habits the right way from the beginning.
I learned a lot in that first workout.
Oh, good. And there are 23 other ones, 24 total workouts, so tons of variety. It'll never get boring or repetitive. And it's so easy to access on your phone, right?
Yeah.
Did you find that easy?
Yeah, totally.
Anytime you didn't know an exercise or you weren't sure if you're doing it right, you check the video.
Yeah, the
So
videos
that's
really
helpful.
helpful. So
Good.
yeah, I'm excited to do the rest of the program.
Great. If you want to get in on these workouts too, they are available right now. Go down to the description box. That link will take you to where you can get the program. And this is the last day of the launch. So if you want to take advantage of that 30% launch discount, you have to get it before midnight tonight. Apply the code IWANTABS at checkout for that launch discount. I'll see you inside the program and in our community group. I can't wait to help you get abs.
And Tori, shout out your channel.
It's just Tori. T-O-R-I-E.
What do you do?
Makeup and lifestyle.
There
Pretty
you
much
go.
everything about me.
You're gonna love her channel. We've developed a full program to help you tighten and tone your abs, and this includes 12 unique follow-along workouts with me.
You'll also be training with me in the gym. Think of me as your personal trainer in your pocket. You're about to learn new ab exercises that you've never tried before, so you can unleash the abs that you've never had.
If you ever have questions or don't know how to modify something, don't be afraid to reach out to us. We're your coaches and we're always happy to help you in our group.
So we can't wait to meet you over in our private accountability group page.
And enjoy the workouts.
So go get the program now and let's get you abs.